Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make very beautiful Mehndi. First, select premium henna powder for the best results. Combine it with fresh lemon juice and a few drops of essential oil, like eucalyptus or lavender, to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Stir thoroughly until it reaches a consistent, yogurt-like texture. Then, cover the mixture and let it sit for 6 to 12 hours, allowing the dye to fully release. This crucial step ensures a rich, dark stain. Before you begin, ensure your skin is clean and free of any lotions or oils. This helps the henna adhere better and stain darker. Hold your applicator cone like a pen, using a steady hand to create your desired patterns. Start with simpler designs if you are new to Mehndi, gradually moving to more complex ones. Remember to apply even pressure to ensure a smooth, continuous flow of paste, which is key for crisp lines and beautiful details. To achieve a deep, long-lasting stain, leave the henna paste on your skin for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or even longer if possible. Once dry, you can gently seal it with a mixture of sugar and lemon juice to keep it moist and enhance dye absorption. After carefully flaking off the dried paste, avoid washing the area with water for at least 12 to 24 hours. This allows the color to oxidize and darken beautifully over time. For truly stunning Mehndi, consider layering your designs. Start with a base pattern, then add intricate details on top for a three-dimensional effect. Practice on paper first to refine your technique and explore new motifs. Remember, patience is key to achieving beautiful results. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. These small additions can make a big difference in your daily life and creative space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.